Hey guys, Mr. Mackey here, and welcome to the fourth challenge for this week. Now this one we're going to be focusing on area and shapes and measurements. Now for this I have a room, and in this room I have, carpets. And I have a bunch of stuff for an office that I want to have. I have my desk, I have my cabinet, I have some shelves, I have a chair. Now, here's my question for you. I want you to work out for me how much space in this room is not occupied by any of these objects. So how much free space do I have? That's my question today, and your challenge is to work that out. What do you need to know to figure it? Now, if you want to work this out on your own, pause the video now and try it, because I'm going to go over it in 3, 2, 1, and now. So, the first thing we have to be aware of is the area of the whole room. Because what we're going to do is work out the area of the whole room and then subtract the area of each of these objects from them, so then eventually all that's left is the green bits for your carpet. So, the area of the whole room is 15 by 12, so let's multiply them. And you will get 180 meters squared, because it's area, square area, get it? Now, let's work out the area of each of these objects. Let's first look at the shelves. So we do 2.2 times 3.5. That gets us 7.7. So I'm going to write this underneath. Now I'm going to tick that off to say we now have worked that out. What about the area of the other shelving unit? Which looks like a D, but it's an F, don't worry. So 2.2 times 5.5. That gets us 12.1. Also write it so it's a bit neater. 12.1 meters squared. So I'm going to tick that one off now. 3 more to do. What about the chair? 1.5 times 0.75. That gets you 1.125 meters squared. It's very small, but then again, it's a chair. We now have the desk and the cabinet. So we do 3.5 times 3. That gets us 10.5. And then finally the cabinet, 2.8 times 4.6. That gets you 12.88. So now that we know what each of the areas of the objects are, we now have to subtract each of these from 180. So let's do it. So 180 take away 7.7 gets us 172.3. So once taken that away, we get 172.3. So now we take away from 172.3, 12.1. And that gets us 160.2. From that we need to take away 1.125, and that gets us 159.075. Now the next one, 10.5, we take that away, and that gets us 148.575. And finally, we take away 12.88, and that gets us our final answer, which is the total area of all the carpet space, 135.695 meters squared. That's all you do. Absolutely fantastic. What you've done today is you've not only done multiplying decimals together, you've also added and subtracted decimals, and you've also used the rules of area to work out the answer. Fantastic work. And that's our fourth challenge for this week, ticked off and done. We've now got 2 challenges left before the final episode of Mr. Mackey's Maths. Good luck with the last 2. Take care, guys, and have a good Thursday. See you later.